everybody. Welcome to Katinga in Your Home. Hi. So today's craft is a bird in a cage. So today, the supplies you'll need for today's craft are string, scissors, crayons or markers, pencil, tape, and paper. That's all we need for this crafts for today. I'm going to take a piece of paper and I'm going to fold it. Fold it again the other way. So that's just twice. Folded it this way and then this way. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and draw my cage as large as I can on my paper. You could make it fancy if you wanted to. I would make it fancy for sure. Maybe I'll go back and I'll do some swirlies on it and all that after I do a simple one for you guys to see right now. Then I'm going to take my paper, flip it over. See how I did that? Flip it over, and then I'm going to draw my bird slightly smaller on the other side. And I'll go back and work on that in just a minute. Then I'm going to take my string. I think first I need to go ahead, since this is like that, I'm going to go ahead and tape my paper together. Then I'm going to get my tape. I guess you could even tape it on the inside. Maybe I should have done that first. Tape it on the inside if you want to. I definitely should have done that first, but that's okay. We learn as we go along, don't we, guys?
That's right.
Then goes this way. There he is. There's my bird in a cage. Woo, this is neat. What do you think, Barley?
Woo! These birds are so fun.
It's a little trick of the eye. We'd love to see the ones that you guys do as well.
Make sure you show us.
Please do. We miss you guys. Thank
Miss
you.
Bye.
Bye.